Welcome to activity number 2. Fine motor skills, pouring. Take 2 cups of water and a mug. Now use 3 fingers, that is your thumb, index finger and middle finger. Lift the glass and pour the water into the mug. Make sure the water will not spill out. Repeat the action in the same way with another glass of water. Now you need to empty the mug. So with one hand you will hold the mug and with your another hand use 2 fingers to support your mug and pour the water to both the cups. Now you can tell your child to do the same activity and mention the name of the activity. Tell it is called pouring. Now my son Tishan is going to do the activity number 2, pouring. Here for pouring activity also I have taken 2 different methods. The first one using water and the second one using pulses. When your child is trying for the first time, there are possibilities of spilling water, but do not worry. Give the instructions one more time, repeatedly. No matter what is the age, we cannot learn anything at one attempt. We need practice, right? So practice makes you perfect. The same applies to children also. Practicing these fine motor skill activity on daily basis improves eye-hand coordination of your child and also give a systematic way of learning things and adds discipline in it. Here goes the second activity of pouring using the pulses. Little children not only enjoy these activities but also learn many things. You can even try with some flour, salt or even sugar, rava and so on, or even colored water to do the same pouring activity. And also don't forget to mention once your child finished the activity, you need to mention them to keep the things properly. I mean to place it properly on their places. Try to use plastic containers or which is lighter so that it will be easier for the children to carry and also it will avoid breakage. Also, these kind of activities prepare your child for the writing. They're going to use their hands, wrists, fingers and they do small movements, right? This helps them to make their wrist and fingers flexible and more stronger. So this is how they can prepare themselves for writing. Tishan, what activity we did? Pouring.
Pouring.
Very good. Say hooray.
Hooray!
If you like this video, please share and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you.